I draw this line. Okay, I draw the line first. Okay, the horizon line, the line which separates sky and earth. I draw that in interior also. Got it? Because without this line, I don't have an understanding where this floor and the wall and all this. Got it? So floor will come below this, and the ceiling will go above this. So in center we have walls. So that is the concept. Okay. So after drawing this line, now I need to see where the vanishing point is. So the vanishing point is not in center here. It is towards my right side. Okay, towards my right side. So I place a point. Okay, I place a point. From this point, I am drawing projection lines. Okay, you can see here, right? I'm drawing all these projection lines. So see, look. You can choose some lighter grade pencil also if you're not very comfortable. You can choose some lighter grade pencil to draw these lines. I'm using HP for these lines. Okay, you can use some darker pencil later for doing those cover ups and shadings and all those. Okay, so see, next what I do is, I after drawing this line, I see the space. Okay, so space, what I'm observing here is like I'm observing the depth part. Like you can see that what do you call the glass here, no? Some glasses here. So that space I'm drawing first. Okay. See, that's a small rectangular surface. So if you notice, no, it here the picture ends here. Okay, the picture ends here. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to uh, keep this point here, outside the paper. I will just imagine this space. Okay, anyways, whatever you're seeing in the picture is like only this portion. Okay, only this portion, guys, got it? Towards my left side only you're seeing this portion, you're not seeing. I have just placed it, so I will later draw it. Okay, so after what do you call placing this shape, I mean like that surface over there, then I'm seeing the depth. Okay, you can see there is one more projection line for this space. Wherever the cursor I have kept, now there you can observe, right, this line. Okay, line which connects this and this space, this and this space. There is one cabin over there, one empty space. See this space I'm talking about. We have this entrance here, and there is one cabin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that empty space. Okay, and the cabin area. Understood? It's kind of small. Guys, understood? Huh? See, it is small. Hmm? So you can see this also on the top, right? But then the width of this, no, it's kind of more. You see, no, this width is more, length is less. Got it? See, again, I'm going to draw a projection line on top to find the corner of this space. So this corner is nothing but the line here. Okay, this is the corner of the space. So to represent that corner, I'm drawing this line here. Okay, see, again I'm going to draw one more horizontal line. So this will be connected here to the cabin. Got it? So I'm drawing the what do you call space first. Got it? Like compositionally, I'm understanding how much of space it has been occupied by this room, office space. So then I will be able to draw other things. Okay, so first thing is you need to figure out the space here. Okay, see here also we have that false ceiling. Okay, they have put all this black color for that space. Okay, there are see, I'm gonna draw two lines. With those lines you'll be able to place those LED lights. Okay, like how much of a light is there, you can just place them. Got it? Next step, what I do is I'm gonna take projection lines again from those vanishing point. So with this projection lines, now I have to draw those tables. Okay, the desk. So you can see here there is one. Totally there are three, right? I'm drawing this three. Second one and third one is here. You have to see the space also, like how much space you are going to give and all this. Okay, so I can recorrect it if at all I feel like this has to be bigger or something, I can still recorrect it. Okay, see the proportion wise also, you need to be very careful, like see the width of this, match with that width, and you can still make the changes. Got it? So that's how I'm doing. Hmm? See, this is a very constructive drawing. It's not like I have some concepts. There is someone I made out. Someone has concepts on their. Very still good. No, Ria, I think. Understood, guys. So this is how I'm going to do. So for this, desk also I'm going to draw with those cupboards. I mean, like drawers here. So you can see drawer like three different types, one, two, and three. Third one is like kind of big, and here it is having some division space. So the length you can still recorrect it. This has become too wide. I can recorrect it. See, I'm scribbling a lot. If you notice, I'm scribbling a lot, hmm, while drawing. And see, with the help of this table, I'm able to, you know, judge the height of that chair. See the direction, how it is placed, and how it is connected. I'm able to draw this. What? And then I'm placing those Mac, the desktop. There are books kept. So all this detail I can draw. Okay, there's one more chair. So I can start adding details, guys. Like how much ever details I can, it's possible. I can start adding it. So all you need to know is like you have to understand the composition of this space. Like how beautifully you can draw this space. What are the ratio proportions over there? So what are the details you can try to bring out? So what is the lighting over there? What are the colors which is being used in that interior? So all those you have to like figure it out. Okay, guys, understood? So here I can like add whatever I want. Like I'm making some changes here. So here I can make one more space, and like this can be like a entrance or something. So I can add some door. There's one more opening here. There's another opening there. There's some boards which are put mentioning this has some space. There's a spring which is not dustbin should be not placed here. It has to be placed in corners. It is not seen only. So I can add some details. Guys, understood? This is how I'm sketching. Hmm? So those of you still not figured out the process can follow the steps. Got it? So the step here is like you have to always find where the vanishing point is with any kind of picture. First thing is you have to find the vanishing point. Second thing is you are drawing the projection lines. Thirdly, you are drawing the biggest most objects. Got it? Objects of furnitures, whatever it is. After drawing the furnitures, you are going to draw like details, like small details which is required. Got it? So these are the steps you are going to follow in 1 point perspective. Understood? Not only 1 point perspective, 2 point, 3 point, any perspective, you have to follow the same method. Got it, guys? Anyone of you have any doubts? Hmm? Yes,
Sir, the mistake that I made was that I took the vanishing point incorrectly, and the drawing was that's why.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah, it was hard to figure out the vanishing point. I thought it would be like on the wall, that is that cabin.
mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw your drawing. So, mm, where Ronak, yeah, yeah. That vanishing point, that corner, no, you are talking about. It has
Yes, sir.
gone wrong. Prashant, you also understood. Yours, it is kind of little tilted in the drawing, all this desk and all. It has to be horizontal. Hmm?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. And now I got it, sir. How to do it, yes, sir.
Okay. And who else had sent this? Purohit, yours also, it is kind of lifted, all those, desk and all, it kind of lifted. It looks like, it's going towards sky. Suddenly it is porting, it has some portal, it's going inside the portal. Like that, it looks. Saina Sakir, yours, everything is fine. Like, proportion wise, you need to improve. Purohit, you have done two drawings, huh? Okay. The second one is nice. Second drawing, whatever you have sent, no, it is proportionately, it is nice. Mm, who's this Cherry?
Chelsea.
Cherry is Chelsea. Okay, fine. I don't know. Save your numbers. Uh, except few. Um, Cherry, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's nice. It's come out good. On the other side, I think it kind of looks like bird's view. Kind of looks like bird's view, like aerial perspective. Who's AK? Oh, it's good. Dipankar, right?
Yes, sir.
AK is Dipankar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. It is. It is nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it has come out good. Proportions, size, and all those. It has come out good. It's good. Dipankars. Who else? Yeah, Kale. It is fine. The wall, no, wall has to be little needs little more correction. Towards the left side, it needs little more correction. Who else, guys? Send it, no? Siddhartha. Where is yours? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Got it, got it. Mhm. Yours also, Siddhartha. Like the space not looks very congested. It is not having the depth. This depth is not there. Okay, on screen I'm showing. No, this depth is not there. Okay, here it looks like you have drawn till only this space. Okay, this you left. It looks like it's zoom in, full zoom you have gone. Others, Nidhi, I not get any picture.
Sir,
Iman,
I didn't complete it.
yeah. Nidhi, your drawing is good, nice. Nidhi's drawing is also nice. It's good. Shreya,
Sir, I've still not completed it, so I'll complete it and send it.
what do you guys do? Please send it now. Iman, are you there? Iman, okay. Muskan, what about you? Muskan, Ayushi, Zara,
I didn't complete it, sir.
please send it now. That's fine, whatever it is, send it on the group. I don't know, with your batch, I'm using this please word a lot. Muskan. Yeah, Muskan, it has come out good. Um, you just need to work with small details, okay, like those monitors and all. It's fine. No one is using scale, no? Everyone is doing freehand, no? Guys, all are using freehand, right?
Yes, sir.
So the conquer
Okay, okay,
use.
good, good.
So,
Freehand, no, you all will become great designers. Someone is using scale, they will not become a designer. Especially with this subject, other subjects, and all you have to use scale. Scale is meant for measurement, guys, not to draw a straight line. That is what I mean. Okay. Prashant, two of you are taking class, sir. You and your brother are taking class together. I can see another person.
sir, yes, sir. My brother, sir.
He has to pay fees.
Yes. Means is doing BCA, sir. BCA, not this one, sir.
Okay, okay. Tell him to pay
Not
fees.
interior designing, sir. He's using his okay.
Google Pay number I'll give. Okay, guys, do it. Those of you not send the picture, please send it. Iman, okay, it's still in process. Um, still in process. Zara, it had become bird's view. Zara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I can see your drawing, but then it has become bird's view. Like the point you have took it above. It has to be in center. No, see here the space and space.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
No, I'll try it again, sir, later.
Yeah, yeah. So only have to listen carefully, guys. Always, whenever you start with perspective, first important thing is drawing that line. Okay, that line decides. That's why I keep telling you. If you draw that line, you will know where the view is and the point is. It's interesting, huh? Perspective.
Yes, sir. It's very interesting, sir. I'm liking, sir. I want to improve my skills, sir.
Good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
After listening to you, Prashant, I'm getting goosebumps. Only he is excited. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Huh? What, Purohit, you're telling yes, sir, you're telling bye. Huh? You're
So
just doing like
I'm
this.
telling no sir, yes sir, I am interested in that.
Okay.
I find it interesting now.
So, yeah, yeah. See, there might be a few of you, like, finding it little difficult. You guys can open up, not a problem. Whatever the problem is, you can ask me. Like, I'm here to guide you all. So, I used to teach students shortcuts also, like, to accomplish their drawing. There are various shortcuts also. Like, there are methods which you can follow. Many methods. One method is what you can do is like you can just put a pin and a thread, okay, and pin and a thread, and like you can keep moving those lines like this all around, like you have to stretch that line and keep moving. So what happens is like I don't have a thread here, okay, or else I would have shown. So I have this cable, okay, I'll just use this cable, okay. So what you can do is, if you have a board or something with you, on the board you can put one thumb pin. With the thumb pin, you can tie one what you call string. So with the string, you can just see how those projection lines are. Okay, with those you can do it. Okay, if it is 2 point perspective, you can put one rubber band for both the sides, and you can move those like up and down. I will teach all those. And thirdly, if you're still not figuring it out, you can take one trace paper. Okay, trace papers. Okay, the butter sheet and all will be there. No, so those you can take and just draw lines over a picture or something. So those are ways to do find a perspective and all those. But then don't completely trace with your drawing and all those. Why? Because uh, tracing, no, it will be a problem later when this practical exams and all happens. No, like think like practical exam. Somewhere you have to sit and design or draw, do your sheets and all those. Those time you can't cheat. Okay, you'll be in a problem. So it's better to do mistakes. 1,000 times you do mistakes, it's okay. Hmm? I want to share one thing with you all. Okay, see, when I was in my college, no, when I was in my college, I was a late admission. Okay, when I first joined my college, I was the last admission. So already a lot of students were, finished with their drawings. Many topics they have done, and I not know only when I newly went to the class. I still remember it was a life drawing class. Okay, where like one person model will be seated. Uh, there'll be like students seated circularly. They have to see that model and sketch. Okay, so that is the first class which I went. So during those time, I remember there was this model and it was a rapid sketching. So they used to set one timer over there, and within that time we have to sketch that person. Okay, so I went, I sat with the board, I had my sharp pencils and all those. I just started drawing that circle for the head, and like I was just drawing the shape of that person and all this. Suddenly I'm seeing that person went off. He left that place, and I thought like maybe he would have gone for washroom or something. Then I'm seeing another person sitting there, a different model, and I was about to sketch again. That person changed his position, like different force he was trying to give. So I was quite confused. I was like, oh my god, these guys are so fast. I can't even just draw one circle, so soon they are changing the position itself. Then I saw the